The best-selling baby bottle isn't always the one that works best for your baby. Everyone assumes popularity equals quality, but when it comes to feeding, what really matters is comfort, flow control, and reducing gas. Today, I'm breaking down 5 bottles that actually deliver, based on real feeding experience, not just hype. Product number 1, Philips Avent Natural Response. First up, the Philips Avent Natural Response bottle. This one's a favorite for a reason. It's got that soft, breast-shaped nipple that helps babies transition between breast and bottle without confusion. The medium flow, Flow 3, is great for older newborns or babies who have gotten used to faster milk flow. And honestly, the no-drip design, huge win, less mess, less waste. It keeps air out of your baby's tummy by redirecting it away from the milk, which means fewer spit-ups and less nighttime fussing. Over 10,000 parents bought this in the last month, and it won the Best of the Bump award for newborn bottles in 2024. That's not just marketing. Now, some people complain the nipples can collapse if not assembled right. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of snapping the collar on securely, it's not an issue. It's more about learning the system than a flaw in the product. This is perfect for you if you're combo feeding or want a bottle that mimics breastfeeding closely. Skip this one if your baby needs super slow flow, go for Flow 1 or 2 instead. For the price and performance, this is solid value. Product number 2, Philips Avent Glass Gift Set. Now, if you like the last bottle but want something more durable and chemical-free, this Philips Avent Glass Set is the upgrade. Made with borosilicate glass, it's heat-resistant, BPA-free, and won't absorb odors or stains over time. Plus, it comes with silicone sleeves for grip and protection, smart touch. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Glass doesn't leach anything, even when heated repeatedly, which is a big deal if you're warming bottles multiple times a day. The set includes both 4 Oz and 8 Oz bottles with slow and medium flow nipples, so it grows with your baby. And the anti-colic system is the same proven design, air stays out, tummy stays calm. Now, some people complained it's heavy and easy to drop. Here's the thing though, the silicone sleeve helps, and once you're used to handling glass, it's manageable. Just not ideal for travel or sleepy 3 a.m. feeds when you're half awake. This is perfect for you if you want long-term use, eco-friendliness, and peace of mind about materials. Skip this one if you need something lightweight or plan to carry bottles around a lot. At $60, it's pricier, but you're paying for quality and longevity. Product number 3, Dr. Brown's Glass Anti-Colic. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for colic-prone babies, Dr. Brown's Glass Anti-Colic Bottle. This one has a unique internal vent system that stops air from mixing with milk, which seriously cuts down on gas and reflux. The 8 Oz size is great for bigger feedings, and the level 1 slow flow nipple is ideal for newborns. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The vent system creates a vacuum-free flow so your baby isn't swallowing air while feeding. That means less burping, less discomfort, and more peaceful sleep. Over 4,000 sold last month, and it's a go-to for pediatricians. Now, some people complained it's a pain to clean. All those tiny parts need to be disassembled and scrubbed. Here's the thing though, if you're dealing with severe colic, the cleaning hassle is worth it. But if your baby isn't gassy, you might not need this level of complexity. This is perfect for you if your baby spits up a lot or seems uncomfortable after feeds. Skip this one if you want something simple to wash or are on a tight budget. It's more parts, more time. Product number 4, Dr. Brown's Wide Neck Options Plus. Now, if the last one's narrow design felt too fussy, this Dr. Brown's wide neck version keeps the same anti-colic tech but adds easier cleaning and better latch. The 5 Oz size is perfect for newborns, and the wide nipple mimics the breast more naturally, which helps with feeding transitions. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The internal vent still prevents air intake, but the wider opening makes it easier to pour formula without spills and simpler to scrub by hand. It's also compatible with most breast pumps, so you can pump directly into it, convenient for busy parents. Now, some people complain the nipples wear out faster than other brands. Here's the thing though, they're affordable to replace, and the anti-colic benefits outweigh the occasional nipple swap. Just keep an eye on them every few weeks. This is perfect for you if you want colic relief without the narrow bottle hassle. Skip this one if you're exclusively breastfeeding and only bottle feeding occasionally. It might be overkill. Product number 5, Lancino Anti-Colic Glass. Finally, the Lancino Anti-Colic Glass bottle. This one's a sleeper hit. It uses a dual vent system to reduce air intake, and the 5 Oz size with slow flow nipple is ideal for tiny newborn mouths. The glass is lightweight for its material, and it's designed to work seamlessly with Lancino pumps. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The vents are built into the nipple and collar, so there are no extra parts to lose or clean. That means less assembly, less frustration. And at under $32 for 4 bottles, it's one of the most affordable glass options with real anti-colic tech. Now, some people complain the markings fade over time. Here's the thing though, as long as you're using a bottle warmer or warm water, not direct heat, they last. Just avoid boiling the bottle itself. This is perfect for you if you want glass safety, simple design, and good value. Skip this one if you need larger bottle sizes. It only comes in 5 Oz. So which one's best? If you want breastfeeding-like flow, go Philips Avent Natural. Need durability? The glass gift set. Severe colic? Dr. Brown's vent system wins. Want wide neck ease? Dr. Brown's Options Plus. And for simple, affordable glass, Lancino delivers. Every baby's different. Pick what matches your feeding style and your baby's needs. Thanks for watching, and drop your bottle struggles in the comments. I've been there.